Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Terry's white chocolate orange cookies. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, followed by your granulated white sugar or caster sugar, then your light brown sugar, and beat them together on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium high, and just mix until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beaten well in between each addition. You will notice that the mixture changes, and don't worry, this is completely normal due to the amount of moisture you have added in. Once they've been added in and fully incorporated, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in your plain flour and baking powder, followed by the roughly chopped Terry's chocolate orange and the chocolate chips, and mix these on a low speed to start with, working you out to a medium high. Then once again you'll want to give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and take a baking tray which has been lined with some parchment, grab a cookie scoop and scoop up a scoop of cookie dough and place it directly onto the baking tray. You don't need to remold it or reshape it in any way, just straight onto the tray will work fine. If your dough is a little bit sticky, don't worry, you can always go ahead and place it into the fridge, but generally this is a dough that you can use straight away, so it's an ideal quick and easy recipe. All the baking times and temperatures will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. As soon as they have come out of the oven and they've got this perfectly golden colour around the edges, to finish them off I like to place on some white chocolate pieces on top, but again this is completely optional and up to you. But then once they're fully cooled down, I went ahead and added more white chocolate and drizzled some melted white chocolate over, just because I can, why not? So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on those, as I am trying to be a bit more active during December. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.